And we are running reading groups, special interest groups. If you want us to set something up, tell us, right? We can facilitate the setting up of groups to bring to people from across the university.
I absolutely believe the power of the tools are going to influence markedly the way we deliver higher education, the way our students go into the workforce and are expected to do their jobs, and for a university like this, what the potential impact on research and knowledge exchange and enterprise are.
At Southampton, we have our own projects. I mentioned the postdoc and PhD team earlier, looking at a number of interesting areas, application areas, for example, the use of AI in arts, working with artists to understand how they appropriate these technologies. The REACT project looking at developing multi-robot, multi-human systems responsibly. Culture AI looking at the cultural sensitivity of LLM-based systems or VLM-based systems. Grid congestion management systems, looking at how we build these smart grids to be reliable, and visual language models. A lot of the work that Shoaib leads for us at RAI on VLMs, that's also been funded by the AI Security Institute.
What is our actual mission statement? So it's one thing if we all get together and it's kind of like an open drop-in, anyone can come, anyone can listen to the cool talks, but what are we doing? Why are we here? What is it that our special group, when we bring together all the disciplines, all the staff levels, and the students, so that's new, when we all come together, what is it that we want to say about responsible AI at this university?
What does responsible AI mean? And what does responsible mean to the builders, and what does it responsible mean to the people that AI and autonomous systems impact upon or is used by? So what are the consequences of AI?
So I'd like to play you some country music that's been generated by the AI music platform Rifffusion.
30 years on this factory floor, done this job since 94. Every code and every line, running perfect right on time.
It's striking that Gen AI, which is really a kind of mindless pastiche, has managed to sing from its non-existent heart about what the AI revolution means to workers.
I'm pleasure working in the public engagement research unit at the University of Southampton and managing our public and community engagement hubs, one of which is on the theme AI and society. The hubs are networks that are all about us supporting impactful collaboration between the university, its staff, its students, its research, and the local voluntary community and social enterprise sector. We support collaboration that drives positive social change in the city and celebrates and enriches the place in which we live.
AI is really going to be very useful in healthcare, for example. It's very useful in analysing large data, and those kind of areas are really very prominent in biological and other environmental sciences.
So I call this lecture a totally rational and reasonable, level-headed take on AI safety, its implications, challenges and nuances with respect to present technological capabilities and future directions, a study into the future of artificial intelligence, or to give it its shortened title, We're All Going to Die. I didn't think we were at risk until I discovered a robot called ITER, the energetically autonomous tactical robot.